Yes, first question is today we are going to discuss about the MCQs of the chapter number 2 that we have. Why is the MCQs related to that chapter? First one is the standard form of the linear equation in one variable is. Yes, hurry up, read it out and check the correct option out of these four given options. Yes, who will give the correct answer? Yes, Anjani. Diya. Jasmine. Prabsharan. Akul. Akul.
Ma'am, yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What's the answer?
मैम कौन से वाले का?
Yes.
मैम फर्स्ट के.
First you are saying. Okay. Yes, answer is A part. That is actually we are talking about the standard form of the linear equation, that is ax plus b. Actually linear means the equation that is having the polynomial, or you can say the expression that is having power 1. So as it is clear from the name, linear means power 1 and equation means that has equality sign, and rest of the equation has power 2, power 3 and power 4. So power 2 equation, the equation that involve power 2 is called quadratic. Power 3 equation is called cubic and another one is called biquadratic. So that means first option is the correct answer, that is ax plus b. Yes, solve this third question, the degree of the equation. Yes, before finding the degree, keep this thing in mind that you have to solve this first. Because if you are not going to solve this first, then you are not able to reach at the correct answer. So for this, you need to solve this first, and after solving this, you will be able to reach. Hurry up, solve this. Solve this. X square will cancel out. And what is the degree of this? Yes. Taranya. Anjani.
Ma'am 1.
Degree of this is 1. Okay. Start next. Question number 4. The statement on adding 10 in a number, the number becomes 20. The form of an equation. Yes, Kavish.
Second option.
Second option means when you add 10 to a number, the number become 20. So answer is B. Okay, good. Next is, if you add 9 to a number, it becomes 25. Find the correct answer. Hurry up.
First option.
First option, that is x plus 9 is 25.
Ma'am D option.
Which option? If 15 is subtracted from the number, the answer become -5.
D option.
Yes, D option is correct. Yes, next is 7 times a number is 42. Write the correct statement of an equation in the form of an equation. Yes. Yes, Gurdit.
mx plus 7 is equal to 42.
Which option you are saying?
A option.
No, bache, A is not correct.
Okay.
7 times a number. 7 times. Yes, Dia. Ishan.
7x.
B option.
B option. Yes, answer is B option. Yes, listen one more. Yes, listen. Tomorrow you all have to bring your fair notebooks. For super checking, it's compulsory to bring all subject notebooks tomorrow. Okay? So don't forget to bring your maths notebook. Next is a number when divided by 5 gives 6. Hurry up, solve this. Yes, Ishan.
Ma'am, C option.
C option. Wait, let me check. A number when divided by x gives 6. Yes, good. Start next. A number when subtracted from 40 results into 15. A number when subtracted from 40 results into 15. Yes, Radhika.
A option.
Yes, very good. Next, question number 10. 6 is added to 3 times a number, it becomes 15. 6 is added to 3 times a number, it becomes 15. Yes, Dia.
Ma'am, A option.
6 is added to 3 times a number. 3 times x plus 6 becomes 15. A option. Yes, start next. On subtracting 30 from 2 times a number, we get 56. On subtracting 30 from 2 times a number, we get 56. Yes, correct answer is yes, Toranya. Gurdit.
Option A.
Option A.
Only
Wait.
option A.
Yes, yes. The root of this equation. So root means the solution. Solve this. Get the value of z. Get the value of z, hurry up. Root of the equation means the solution of the equation. Root of the equation means solution of the equation. Solve this and get the value of z. As you can see that plus 4 is there on the left side. When you shift it on the right hand side, it will be z is equal to minus 8 minus 4. That is, yes. Yes, Jasmine, very good.
D option.
No, beta, it's not correct. D option you are saying. Actually, ये -8 है. ये गलत लिखा हुआ है क्वेश्चन. ये रॉन्ग है बच्चे, क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम है. Leave it. Start this next one. 3x is equal to 20 by 7 minus x. Solve this and get the value of x. Yes, Prabsharan.
Ma'am, D option. Ma'am, D option.
D option. Wait, let me check. Yes. Next. The root of this equation. Root means the solution of the equation. Solve this, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Open the bracket first. 2 will be multiplied with x and 4 both. And separate the like terms. Collect x, the terms that contain x on the left side and constant on the right side. And solve it and get the value of x. What you are getting? Yes, Kavish? Yes, Gurdeep. Akul?
मैम x is equal to -11 आ रहा है.
मेरा भी -11 आ रहा है.
D.
मैम डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट होगा इसका.
देखो इधर, जब आप इसे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, वेट. When you solve this, this left side is same. When you multiply this, this is 2x minus 8. But when you collect the like terms on the left side, x terms on the left and constant term on the right, you are getting 0x is equal to -11. But how 0x can be equal to 11? That means you can't solve it. The solution x is equal to -11 by 0, which is not defined. So that means you are not able to find the solution of this question. Is it okay? Any doubt? So the answer is doesn't exist. Answer is doesn't exist. 5 upon x equal to 2. Get the value of x. Be careful while solving it. It is little bit different. It's not difficult, but it's little bit different. You haven't done this type of question. Cross multiply this and get the value of x. Cross multiply this. Yes, Prabsharan.
मैम
Yes,
ये सही है।
Radhika.
C option.
C option. Yes, exactly. It's C option.
C option.
Yes, yes. Start next one. The largest number of the three consecutive number is x plus 1. Is it so? अगर आप 3 consecutive number लेते हो तो largest x plus 1 होता है. अगर x plus 1 largest है तो smallest कौन सा होगा? अगर आप वैसे तो आप क्या लेते हो x plus 1 x plus 2, बट अभी आपको वो कह रहा है कि लार्जेस्ट जो है वो आपने x plus 1 लेना है, तो स्मॉलेस्ट कौन सा होगा? स्मॉलेस्ट 3 नंबर है, लार्जेस्ट वन इज x plus 1. फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफ द 3. यस राधिका. यस तो रन्या.
Option.
विच वन?
B option.
B.
D
Which
option.
D option. Yes, exactly. It's D option. Very good. Do this one. If x is the even number, then the consecutive even number is, अगर x एक even number है तो उसका consecutive even number क्या होगा next? अगर first number x है तो उसका next even number क्या होगा consecutive? This is same as the multiple of 8. जैसे x plus 8, x plus 16. ऐसे ही x एक even number है, उसका next even number बताना है. Hurry up. Next will be yes, Jasmine, Suruchi, Nidhi.
B option.
Yes, exactly. It's B option. Very good. Next is, if x is the odd number, then largest odd number preceding x. Preceding मतलब? Preceding means x से less वाला जो होगा वो क्या होगा? Odd number बताना है आपने. एक x odd number है, then the preceding odd number which should be largest. Yes, who will answer this? Yes, Anjani. ईशान.
X minus 2.
बच्चे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Ma'am, X minus 2.
x माइनस नहीं बच्चे, x माइनस 2 तो इवन हो जाएगा. सपोज आप इसे 5 लेते हो, अगर आप इसे 1 लेते हो तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा 1. 3 लेते हो, ठीक है, x माइनस 2. एक्चुअली ये पता है क्या है, ये जैसे किसी इवन नंबर की जो जनरल फॉर्म होती है वो 2 के मल्टीपल में होती है, ठीक है, और ऑड जो होती है वो भी 2 के मल्टीपल में होती है, 2n + 1. तो ये सेम टाइप का है x माइनस 3. नेक्स्ट इज 19th क्वेश्चन. द डिफरेंस ऑफ द टू नंबर इज 21. द लार्जर वन इज x. फाइंड द स्मॉलर वन. दो नंबर है, लार्जर वाला x है, तो बताओ स्मॉलर क्या होगा? फाइंड दिस, हरी अप. The difference of these two numbers is 21. Larger one is x. Find the smaller one. दो नंबर है ना, तो larger minus smaller Look here. Larger number minus smaller number gives you 21. Larger one is x. तो स्मॉलर क्या आ जाएगा? स्मॉलर वाले को यहां ले जाओ पॉजिटिव, x माइनस 21. तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा x माइनस 21. ठीक है, ये भी आपने किया हुआ है. एक 2 डिजिट नंबर में यूनिट प्लेस पे x है, टेंस प्लेस पे y है, तो नंबर क्या बनेगा? जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ नंबर 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय टेंस प्लेस प्लस यूनिट प्लेस. 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय टेंस प्लेस प्लस यूनिट प्लेस. आंसर इज yes. Yes, Radhika, Jasmine.
The option.
Which one? बच्चे repeat.
Ma'am, A option.
Yes, yes, exactly. It's A option. 10 times the unit place plus 10 times the tens place plus unit place, that is 10y plus x. Exactly. Next one is, if 9 is added to 2 times a number, we get 67. Solve this and get the value of the missing number. 9 is added to 2 times a number, you get 67 as the answer. Find a number. Means you have to solve this equation that you have just formed. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Solve this. Yes, Akul.
And 29.
Okay, start next one. The root of the equation. Root means the solution of the equation. Cross multiply this and get the value of x. Diya.
Ma'am, B option.
Yes. Solve this one, 23rd question. Done? Done? Yes, Madhav. Yes, Kavish.
मैम इसका आंसर 4 है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन.
बहुत आराम से बोल रहे हो, क्लास में तो है.
मैम फर्स्ट ऑप्शन.
Yes, it's 4. Do this next 24th question. 3/4 part of a number is का मतलब है equal to 5 more than its 2/3 part. Frame the equation, form the equation, hurry up. The solution of the equation is called root. Root and solution both are same. Form the equation, hurry up.
Ma'am, third answer.
Yes, exactly. Its answer is third option. Diya.
Yes, ma'am.
Diya, solve the next and tell me the answer. What's the answer of 24th question?
Ma'am, C.
C option. Yes. Start 25th.
Ma'am, B option.
Which one?
B.
B. Yes, exactly. Answer is B part, -1/3. Solve this. 26th question. Find the root of the equation. Root means the solution of the equation. Yes, Jasmine. Radhika.
Ma'am, C option.
C option.
Ma'am, C option.
Okay, okay. Start next one. These questions are verbal. No need to write. You can just simply read it out and solve it verbally. Value of x is 5 minus 3. That is 2. And in the next, the value of x is 2 minus 8. When shift to the next side, it will be plus 8. So 2 plus 8 is 10. Solve this 29th and 30th question. Hurry up. Done? Yes, Toranya.
B option.
Okay, very good. Next, Ishan.
Ma'am, what is today's homework?
Today you will solve example. Okay, let's start with the new chapter, factorization. Do first exercise in your rough notebook. Today your homework is do exercise 14.1. Each question, first two part in the rough notebook. 30th question, find the root means you have to solve it for y. Open the bracket first. Yes, Nidhi, Suruchi. Tanisha. Yes, Gurdit.
मैम कौन से वाले का आंसर
30th.
30 का
हाँ जी.
मैम 5 ए ऑप्शन
15 माइनस 3y। क्या बोला है आपने आंसर?
A option.
सी आएगा -5। आपने माइनस का ध्यान नहीं दिया।
-5.
2y माइनस 5y जब उधर जाएगा तो -2y -5y तो -3y आएगा लेफ्ट साइड पे। तो आंसर विल बी -5।